Hello guys, welcome back to the English Speaking and Listening Club. I'm so excited to dive into today's topic because we are getting right to the core of what you truly want out of this incredible, challenging, and beautiful life. We are talking about how to create your dream reality. I want to tell you straight up that this isn't about wishing and waiting. This is about design, execution, and unshakable inner alignment. You are not a passive observer of your life. You are the architect, the builder, and the project manager. If you can clearly define your dream reality, you possess the power to build it. The biggest mistake people make is thinking that a dream reality is a fantasy, a far-off place you might accidentally stumble into one day. That's wrong. Your dream reality is a specific destination that requires a clear map and consistent daily momentum. Today, we are going to draw that map using 3 fundamental, non-negotiable pillars. If you apply these principles with genuine commitment, I promise you, the life you are living a year from now will look radically different and exponentially better than the life you are living today. Let's stop dreaming vague dreams and start creating tangible realities. Pillar 1. The clarity command. Defining the destination, the first step in creating your dream reality, must be absolute. Undeniable clarity. Most people have a wish list, not a reality plan. They say, I want to be successful, or I want to be happy. These are beautiful feelings, but they are terrible goals because they are vague and impossible to measure. Your brain needs specific coordinates to navigate to your dream reality. Think of it like this. If you tell a taxi driver, take me somewhere nice, you won't get anywhere. But if you tell them, take me to the Sydney Opera House at 3 p.m., they know exactly what to do. Your brain is the taxi driver, and your dream is the destination. Your actionable step here is to schedule dream time, a non-negotiable. Focused session, ideally an hour long, where you sit down and engage in what I call future scripting. Write out a detailed, sensory description of your life 5 years from now. Writing in the present tense as if it is already happening. Don't worry about how you got there yet. Just describe the what. I wake up naturally at 6 a.m. in my sunlit apartment, feeling energized and grateful. I walk to my home office, where I begin working on my thriving international business, communicating effortlessly with clients in English. I feel financially secure and emotionally fulfilled. I spend my evenings learning a new skill and laughing with supportive friends. Notice the details. 6 a.m. Sunlit apartment, thriving business, communicating effortlessly. Financially secure, emotionally fulfilled. This process of scripting forces your mind to create a crystal clear, vivid picture. This is your personal vision map, and it is the necessary blueprint for the life you are building. Pillar 2. The alignment. Architecture, rewriting the inner story once you have defined your dream reality. The second, and arguably most challenging, step is to align your internal world with your external vision. We talked about this before. The biggest obstacle in your path is not out there. It is the limiting beliefs running in the background of your mind. You can have the clearest plan in the world, But if your core story is, I'm not smart enough to run a business, or I don't deserve a high-paying job, your subconscious will sabotage every step you take to prove the old story right. Your new reality cannot be built on an old, outdated foundation of doubt. You must change your view of yourself. Your actionable step for this pillar is to conduct a belief audit and replacement. Identify the top 3 limiting beliefs that pop up when you think about your dream reality. Write them down. Now, for each one, craft a powerful affirmation that states the opposite truth in the present tense. For example, if the limiting belief is, I always fail when I try something big, the replacement affirmation is, I am a resilient learner who finds powerful lessons in every outcome. And my commitment is unwavering. You must then commit to repeating these affirmations every morning and every night. Ideally, in front of a mirror, using your confident victory stance. This is not just feel-good talk. This is neuroplasticity in action. You are intentionally reprogramming the software of your mind, forcing it to align with the successful person you need to become to live in your dream reality. The feeling will follow the faith you establish through repetition. Pillar 3, the momentum mechanism activating daily action. The final pillar is where the magic of manifestation meets the power of discipline. A brilliant vision and a positive mindset are essential, but they are meaningless without consistent, aligned action. Your dream reality is not going to arrive on your doorstep while you are sitting on the sofa. You have to meet it halfway. You have to take steps that are congruent with the person who already lives that life. The actionable step here is to use the working backwards principle to define your most important thing, MIT. Look at your 5-year dream reality. What is the biggest, most crucial goal that needs to be achieved this year to stay on track? Now, what is the one daily action that, if you complete it, guarantees momentum towards that yearly goal? This is your MIT for the day. If your 5-year dream involves being a highly paid software developer, your MIT today might be complete one full module of my coding course. If your dream involves moving to a new country and speaking a new language, your MIT might be have one 5-minute conversation practice with a language partner. You must attack that MIT first thing every day. Before distractions, before email, before anything else. This small, consistent win builds momentum and faith simultaneously. It is the simple, non-sexy reality of creating a dream life. Tiny, deliberate action compounded over time, my friends. Creating your dream reality is the most profound and fulfilling project you will ever undertake. It requires the courage to define what you truly want, the self-awareness to align your inner world with that desire, and the discipline to act consistently every single day. Stop waiting for permission or for the perfect moment. The moment is now. The permission is yours to grant. Go back to your dream time, write your script, challenge your limiting beliefs, and take your MIT action today. You have the power to plant the seed of your perfect future right here, right now. I believe in your capacity to create something extraordinary. Now go out there and be the architect of your destiny. Thanks for watching. If you are ready to stop dreaming and start doing, please like this video and subscribe to the English Speaking and Listening Club, so we can continue building this incredible reality together.